What's your English level? You're going to answer 20 questions. Each question has 4 options. Before we start, you will need something to write with so you can keep track of your points for correct answers. The questions get harder as we go. Don't worry if the last few feel impossible. That's completely normal. Just do your best. If you need more time on a question, simply pause the video. All right, are you ready? Let's go. All right, that was the last question. Now take your piece of paper and count how many correct answers you got. Every correct answer is 1 point. Maximum score is 20. Find your score in the table below to discover your level. A1, beginner. If you scored between 0 and 4, you are an A1 learner. That is, a beginner. Don't be discouraged. Every expert was once a beginner. The most important thing right now is to build your foundation. Learn the most common 500 words, master the verb to be, and start speaking simple sentences. You are at the very beginning of an amazing journey. A2, elementary. Score 5 to 8, you are A2, elementary level. You already know a lot. You can introduce yourself, talk about your daily routine, and understand simple texts. Your next step is to get comfortable with the most important verb tenses, present simple, present continuous, and past simple. B1, intermediate. Score 9 to 12, welcome to B1, intermediate. This is a really exciting level because you can now communicate in most real-life situations. You can travel, write emails, have conversations. To move forward, focus on expanding your vocabulary and start using more complex grammar, passive voice, conditionals, reported speech. B2, upper intermediate. Score 13 to 16, you are B2, upper intermediate. This is the level that opens doors. B2 is required for most European universities, many international jobs, and exams like Cambridge First or IELTS 6.5. At this point, the best way to improve is through immersion. Read books in English, watch films without subtitles, and push yourself to think in English. C1, advanced. Score 17 or 18, you are C1, advanced. This is an impressive result. You use English fluently, accurately, and flexibly. You can handle complex academic texts, professional environments, and nuanced conversations. To reach C2, focus on the small things: precise vocabulary, formal register, and idiomatic expression. C2, mastery. Score 19 or 20, you are C2. That is near native mastery of the English language. You can understand virtually everything you hear or read, and you express yourself with exceptional precision. If you are not a native speaker, congratulations. Seriously, that is a remarkable achievement. So, what level are you? Leave your score in the comments below. I'd love to know. Write your number and your level, like 14, B2. Let's see what level our community's at. If you want to improve your level, I have videos on grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and everything in between right here on this channel. Check the links in the description. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hype the video below. It genuinely helps this channel grow and helps more people find their English level. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.